Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us, and we can see that the sentiment of the retail traders have not changed much, because yesterday also we looked at the sentiment meter and we saw that there was a indecision, there was a confusion among the retail traders, and still we can see that 50% retail traders are on the short side, whereas 49% retail traders have taken long position. That means they are on the buy side. So there is a confusion among the retail traders regarding the currency pair Euro USD. Okay, so we do not have much from the sentiment meter. But on the other hand, if we look at the economic calendar here, then we can see that after 6 hours 10 minutes we have got some high impact news coming up. Initial jobless claims. So that will be a driving factor, because whenever we see news like this, it has got impact on the market. Okay, so it has got impact on the US dollar, and if US dollar moves, then we see good movement on the other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, Euro USD, etc. Okay, so be careful after 6 hours 10 minutes and keep your eyes on the economic calendar as well. You will find everything on my website abhilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So first of all, let's look at the US dollar chart, the DXY chart here. So if you look at the dollar index here, then we can see that overall the chart looks choppy, and as we all know, the market was in uptrend for the last couple of weeks. But right now, if we just observe the present market here, then we can clearly see that US dollar is trading in a downward channel here. It is unable to cross the previous high, rather it is forming new lower highs. So it clearly signifies that there is the selling pressure is increasing on US dollar. Slowly sellers are dominating the market right now, and you can see that market is standing at the support zone of 93.80 to 93.50. But whenever market is taking support and going up, it is unable to cross the previous highs. So in a market scenario like this, as I have already mentioned on the video of GBP USD, that in a market scenario like this, market condition like this, we generally see market breaking the support and going down. And as we all know, if dollar goes down, we will see Euro USD going up, and if US dollar goes up, we see Euro USD going down. So right now there is a possibility of US dollar going down. Okay, so if it goes down, then obviously Euro USD will be going up. But be careful with the news as well, because yes, we have a news coming up after 6 hours, and see, when the news will come up, I don't know what will happen. To be very honest, I am not a good news trader. I have very bad experience with news trading, so I prefer to avoid. So anyways, this is the overall scenario right now, except the news part. Okay, so just keep your eyes on your dollar index, because there is a possibility of dollar going down, because it is trading in a downward channel. Clear this part? Okay, let's move to the Euro USD chart here. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. You can see that we do not have many lines here. Chart looks pretty clean here, and right now you can see that market is trading at 1.1656. this is the current market price of Euro USD. Okay, and as you can see that I have also mentioned 1.1666 as the resistance here. Okay, this is the resistance here. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, you can see that market has been sitting at the resistance level for last 5 candles, 1 2 3 4 5. Each candle signifies 4 hours. It means that for last 20 hours, okay, for last 20 hours market is standing at a resistance. Try to understand the market psychology here. What is resistance? Resistance is a place of sellers. Market is standing at place of sellers, but still not going down. It means that though we do not have much volatility, but buyers present in the chart are still fighting. They are trying their best to take the price upward. try to understand the market emotion here. Market is standing at resistance but still not going down. It clearly signifies that buyers are still giving their best fight so that they can take the price upward. And in a market condition like this, whenever you will see that market is not going down, market is standing at resistance, you should not short the market. Okay, in a market condition you should not short the market because there is a possibility of being trapped. Market is standing at resistance, so just wait for the market to cross the level. And as I have already shown you the chart of DXY, the dollar is standing at dollar is standing at support, but things are not very good for US dollar. Dollar is weakening. So if you see dollar going down, listen to me carefully, if you see dollar going down, dollar breaking the support, then definitely Euro USD will break the resistance and it will go up. See, if you look at the overall chart of Euro USD, then you can see that Euro USD was in downtrend. Okay, but right now you can see that Euro USD is trying to recover here. Okay, Euro USD is trying to recover here, but this particular resistance level is acting as a barrier. Okay, but once dollar breaks the support, definitely Euro USD will cross the barrier and it will be going up, and we can go for buy, because at that particular time when it will break the resistance, okay, this level will be the new support for the market, because the resistance will become the new support for the market. 1.1666 will be the new support for the market, and you can go for buy. If dollar breaks the support and Euro USD breaks the resistance, then definitely you can go for buy, and I'm hoping that this will be happening soon. But on the other hand, if you want to short the market, or if you have already taken a short position on Euro USD, then I'll say that be careful, because you can clearly see on the chart that though dollar is Euro USD standing at resistance, but still it is not going down. So let's see where the market goes. Okay, in case market fails to go up, fails to break the resistance, then obviously it will be going down. But still, I'll say that if it goes down and fails to break the resistance, then still do not short the market. If you are a beginner, if you're new to trading, then please do not short the market. Okay, do not short the market, because you can see that market is constantly forming higher lows as well. Okay, market is not crossing the previous low, so it clearly signifies that buyers are definitely present in the market. And in a market condition, please do not short if you're a beginner. If you are an experienced trader, then that's a different chapter. It's totally your risk, you know how to calculate the risk. But if you're a beginner, avoid shorting Euro USD. Okay, because market is forming higher lows here. Okay, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, nobody's 100% accurate. So in that case, it is your duty to protect your capital, and you can only protect your capital with the help of risk management. Okay, and my dear friends, I have launched 2 months ago the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, what is it, what are the benefits, then just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information here, and just click on the download the sample button. A small PDF file will download, and you'll get to see what kind of trades I share. So this is it. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.